Good morning, Contraptcha, March 8th, and it is exactly as I'd feared. It's exactly as I'd feared. So I am, as of yesterday, I am marginally in first place. If today's had been one of those games that just kills everybody, then great, I'm still in first place. If today's had been one that took out Nettie in particular, I would have been great. If today's had been one that where everybody got 100 on, I would have been great. But instead, it's that middling score. Nettie got, let me find it, 63. And right now, Nettie is at 456 and I'm at 405 before doing this, the last puzzle of the week. So I must get 51. I have to get at least 51 when Nettie only got 63. So basically, I'm screwed. Anyway, we've got sleep. It probably is sleep rather than like pillow or something because they all seem to be specifically asleep. Book, something Renaissance. Some kind of technology that's a little bit hard to point to right now. It's like infographic nonsense, or at least it is in the first model. And there's some kind of like journal, because there's always like a pen and a book. It must be sleep, because everybody's asleep, including the bearded woman here. Yeah, let's go with sleep. That's the only one I was at all confident of. Like a mansion, a manor. Journal still seems fairly probable. But it could just be writer or writing or something like that. And there's like this model, because this keeps like in this AI model, it keeps popping up as like a little, diorama display. Do I go for house or mansion or manor first? Do I go for grid or network first? Do I go for journal or writer first? Do I go for whatever the Renaissance word is first? The thing is, the network word could just be like silicon or computing or some nonsense that it's turning into all the rest of it. Manor. Manor is close, so maybe it is just mansion. Maybe it's... I have no idea. Maybe it's just house. Okay. How odd. It's something that is mansion-like. Could it be palace? Like, this ain't no palace. This is just a McMansion. Let's try to get another word. Journal, writer... Let's try journal. That was the first word that came to mind. Let's try writer. Damn. I can see why this is causing issues. This just makes it seem future-y, but all the rest seem more specifically like computer network-y and also have like Renaissance or something in them. Maybe I just need to try Renaissance or even past. Okay. Getting there. Why is house so far away and mansion so close? Could it just be home? There's like coins in this one. Could it be cryptography and that's making cryptocurrency, which is coins? Is that the coin connection? Like the connection between coins and all the network hardware stuff. I had to try home. Yeah, I had to. It was not right, but I had to try it. Writer wasn't close, so it can't be writing either. Journal isn't very close either. Let's try network. I would expect to see more webs if it was web. A note or a memo or a memoranda? Memoranda is the plural, a memorandum? These seem pretty just note-ish. Like, that's just a note paper. This seems like note paper. Maybe it's just... Okay, it was just note. Okay. Oh, this is not... Word 5 is going to be a problem. Estate? Okay. I think what was bringing the house and home in such a way is just like real estate or something. some kind of, I don't know, lines, virtual reality bullshit. And this is nothing. This is nothing. This is nothing. This is a reflection of a reflection of a reflection. These are folders, maybe? These are files? And this is nothing. Although there's a reflection in both this and this, and there's not a reflection here or here. There is a reflection here. Look, there's a reflection right there. This word seems potentially easier. Cyber isn't a noun, although that is the unifying feature of this bullshit. I can't afford this. I can't afford this. I've already accepted that I'm in second place. I can't get third, so that's nice. No matter how badly I do, I'm at least second. How very odd. I mean, it could be as simple as, like, line or rectangle or something. Sometimes geometric shapes, they go in very different directions. I mean, my very first thought was reflection, which goes over there, and then my next thought was, like, file, or, it was just file. Okay. They were looking at physical files. I don't know what the hell all the buildings were about, but they were looking at files. I don't know. This is just like electro bullshit. This is just somebody's idea of what programming is. This is gonna be algorithm or something. The algorithm. I have the algorithm in my hand. Would it draw this for graph? Does it understand the mathematical definition of graph? I don't think so, and it certainly wouldn't draw this for graph. But it could draw this for algorithm, and it could certainly draw any of this bullshit for algorithm. Let's try algorithm just to see how far it is. 38, so that's not too bad. Because 40 is like, you know, not a synonym, but a very closely related word. So, like, software? Software is very close. Software is very close. If it was technology, we would see more technology. It has to be abstract. It could be program in that she's programming, and the rest of these are what idiots think programs are. Not even close. I've got 10 points. I gotta just get it. I gotta just buckle down and figure out what this is. So these seem like application or app even. Oh, app. It's very Apple in 3, but I would know app would show more like phone app stuff. This is more abstract. This is about just software or programming or hacking or networks. I mean, internet is not... I tried network. You'd think if it was internet, then network would be closer, because the net in internet is for network. But also, internet is a proper noun. Let's check the thesaurus for, of all things, software. I really doubt if, that's gonna get me anywhere. Program, application, package, code. Not even close to close. Let's look for algorithm. Wow, it doesn't have algorithm in this thesaurus. Yeah, these are like what I looked in another thesaurus, and these are just what algorithm actually means, as opposed to what idiots think that algorithm means. Yeah, like procedure, but it's not going to show this nonsense for procedure. Could it just be like information or data or something? Doesn't seem that way. circuit? No, it would show more circuit boards if it was circuit. I'm being very careful right now because the next word I get wrong, I probably pop below 53. So really, like, I need to get it right now. Or I did my math wrong. Let's quickly check my math. 405 plus 50 is 455. Oh, it's 51. 456, 405. I don't think I did my math wrong. I think I didn't read my own count correctly. So I have 2 more points to play with than I thought I did. But really, I need to get 52, otherwise it's a tie. Technology? I mean, only the 3rd model is really drawing like technology. Oh, this is all technology. But you'd think network would be closer to technology. And there's so much other technology it could be drawing. It's so specific. I mean, how else would it draw information? I don't know, but not like this. Yeah, I'm not going to be able to just lock in and get this word. I'm going to try hacker, and yep, there, I've gone beneath the threshold. Give me a hint. Biometrics? Biometrics? Cybersecurity. Just security, then. Biometrics? I'll give you another hint. Gadgetry. Gadget. Gizmo. Technology. It was just technology. No, I even said it. Why, if the word is technology, don't you show any technology? Technology is things. It is the artifacts of science. Technology is objects. Technology is real. It's real and it exists and it is tangible and it's real. Well, that 0 is not gonna do great for me. So pretty sure, like I said, I don't think I could get 3rd. Yeah, I'm in 2nd. Well, it's been quite an exciting week. And the range of scores is huge. Nettie has 456. Nice not symmetrical, nice in order number as rendered in base 10, which is the natural rendering because it's out of 100 points. And the last place player got a perfect 0. Rare accomplishment. 0 points. Oh dear, but the 3rd place, just below my 405, got 289. So really, yeah, there's quite a range of scores this week. Guess we'll see whether next week is any better.